Alright guys, so today I'm going to be testing, you can't see me. Today I'm going to be testing my school bell that I got from a student assistance counselor at my high school. So here it is. It's loud as anything. It's very old. Makes this noise. And as you can see, it's wired so that way you can just plug it right into the wall. You won't normally find it that way. It was specially done that way. And for my protection, I'm going to be wearing these because this thing is god-awful loud. I love it, but have to have safety first. So, without further ado, let's ring the bell.